So shall we start? Okay, so figure 1.1 shows the diagram of animal cell and bacterial cell. Okay, now look at this bacteria. This bacterium cell doesn't have any flagellum. Okay, okay. Now what we need to do, we need to first understand the question. Complete the table 1.1 by identifying the structure labeled from B to J in figure 1.1. Some structures may not be present in both. Okay, so you have to put dash over there if they are not present. Clear? So one row has been completed for you. It means there is nothing over here. So let's do it. What is cell membrane? No, no, the labeling. C. And in animal cell? Okay, bacterial cell? G. Good. Cell wall? Absent. F. Cytoplasm? Is a jelly type liquid which fills the whole cell. Okay. Here it's B and here is H. W- Because the liquid that fills the whole cell is cytoplasm. So nothing is marked over here, so it means it's the liquid over here. Okay, nucleus. And definitely not present in bacterial cell. Plasmid. E in okay bacterial cell and in animal cell it's not present. Okay, good. State the function of mitochondria. Oh, sorry, we are not going to write this in the answer. It would be considered wrong, okay? Good. Provide energy not for, from, okay? So what I feel, we need to learn how to write a proper answer, okay? Here you will lose marks if you don't write it clearly. Clear? Okay, Ji, let's move to the next question. Again, a table is given. So we haven't done this. This is related to reproduction, so we haven't discussed it yet. Though we have another question: why leaf is considered as organ? Okay, answer this question. Good. Okay, then I have one again. These are relatively easy question as compared to the other chapters. Okay, this is related to specialized cell. This question is related to specialized cells. The list shows some specialized animal and plant cells, related cell, guard cells, neuron, parasite, mesophyll cells, white blood cell, red blood cell. Choose the word from the list to state the name of two specialized plant cells. Good, good. Guard cells and Palisade mesophyll cells. The cell that transport oxygen, red blood cells. Cells that found in trachea to move mucus, ciliated cells. State how new cells are produced. How new cells are produced. Okay, wait. It's simple. Let's consider an example of bacteria or any animal cell. Let's take an example of animal cell. It's not that tough. Okay, this is a whole cell. Now, first of all, it increases in size. The the whole process is quite long, so we have to just give a general answer over here. So we say that the pre-existing cell, you have to use this word, pre-existing cell divides into new daughter cells. Okay, into two new daughter cells. This is cell uh, This is how new cells are produced. They are produced from basically the pre-existing cells. Okay. Okay, next question. Again, there is a question. Shall I skip this question? Okay, let's move to the other one, which seems to be more logical. Okay, where I pasted it. Okay, here it is. Okay, again, a diagram is given. So, what we need to do, we need to write the letter from the diagram in the given space. We have to write the name and we have to write the function. Okay, what part is labeled as chloroplast? Which letter is labeled as, sorry? M. No, well, the mitochondria would be like this. This is the outer membrane and the inner membrane is folded. That is mitochondria. Okay, while in chloroplast there are stacks, one above the other. Okay, chloroplast. Okay, ribosome is N. What is the function of ribosome? Good. Now you have answered it in correct words. Okay, which part is labeled, or which letter denotes the cell wall? S. Good. What is part L? Nucleus. And what is its functions? It controls the cell activities. Okay, it helps in cell division, but here we have to write a general one. We can write cell division, but I will suggest that you should write uh, control the cell activities. Okay, okay. Now a specialized cell is given. Okay, let me give the other parts as well. By the way, this is question number 6 from your file, which I'm explaining. Okay, I've skipped few questions, so you can. I hope you will would be able to do those. There are certain which are from a reproduction chapter, so we are not discussing those right here. Okay, state the name of state the name of one cell that is found in plant cell, but not in animal cell. Anyone among these from this chloroplast. Okay, and state the name of one structure that is found in both nucleus. Good. Okay, a specialized cell is given. I don't know what is the specialized cell. You have to tell the name and how it is adapted. Very good. Good. You have explained it really, really well. Okay. Then the other questions are quite easy, I guess. These are easy questions. All other questions that are mentioned